Welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to make chocolate body butter for dark skin. So these are our ingredients. I have my scale here. Cocoa, bitter cocoa without sugar. Tea tree oil, vitamin E, bio oil, olive oil, lemon peel oil, cucumber oil, aloe vera oil, avocado oil. I'm going to use shea butter and cocoa butter for this recipe, and then 2 vitamin E. I have my cup or bowl here to prepare my body butter, and I've already measured all of the ingredients here. So I have my EWAS. EWAS is 20 grams. Aloe vera oil 15 grams, avocado 15 grams, bio oil 15 drops, vitamin E 15 drops, glycerin 5 grams, cocoa butter I'm going to use 10, cocoa powder I'm going to use 5 grams, cucumber oil 15 grams, tea tree oil 10 drops, aloe vera oil 15 grams, lemon peel oil 10 drops, shea butter 40 grams, and then cocoa butter 20 grams. All the details will be in the description box below. So let's start with the preparation. I have my shea butter and cocoa butter in the bowl. So I'm going to add my e-wax to it, and then do a double boiler method to make sure I melt it. Now I'm going to mix all my oils together. The glycerin is more than I'm expecting, so I'm going to use 5 grams. So I'm going to use more. I have 5 grams. So I'm now going to mix it, all of them together very well. This is my vitamin E. And I have my bio oil. I'm going to use 15 drops. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I use 15 drops for the bio oil. Bio oil is good for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging skin, and dehydrated skin. So it's very good oil. When you put it in your pomade, it does help a lot. So I finished mixing my oil. I'm going to check whether my butters are well melted. All my butters are, and the wax is warming. So I'm going to add the oils. So with this, I'm going to put it in the fridge. It's getting this, so I'll put it in the freezer so that it will harden, not too hard, just to get a little bit hard for me to use my whisker to whisk it. So since it's very small, I'm going to transfer it here. So that the whisking will become easier for me. So after putting it in the fridge for about 20 minutes, this is how solid it is. So I'm going to whisk it, to a fine paste. So I'm going to add a half tablespoon of pure cocoa powder. I mean the bitter one, which is 2.5 ml. I'm going to add it to it and then continue with my whisking. So this is the final, after whipping it for about 10 minutes. This is the final product. So before I continue filling my bottles, let me do a little advert. So I have organic neem powder. If you need some, please contact me. My number will be on the screen. So I'll just pour. I've cleaned my container with rubbing alcohol, so to avoid any contaminations in the pomade that I'm doing. This is the final product. It looks so fresh and attractive. So thank you all for watching my video. See you next time.